So today what I'm trying to do over here is I'm just trying to clean my bike very fast within like 10 minutes. And the place where I park my bike is a warehouse, so I don't have much of the facilities like the water or the hose. So I'm gonna show you guys how to clean your bike in 10 minutes. It's very easy, very simple. The first product you guys need is the glass cleaner. It is a all-purpose surface and glass cleaner, so this should do the most of the work. So once you guys are done with this, you guys can use this detailer. There is no much dust on the fairings or any of the plastic or the steel metals or the materials. The only dirt where you're gonna see is near the chassis and on the wheels. And what I recommend is don't ever spray this on the chains because the lubricant will wash off. Only if you're replacing the lubricants you can do it. And just shake it a bit so that it will just form some foam inside it, which is good again. And you can just get started by spraying on the wheels first or any of these metals. Especially on the wheels, you can spray a bit more so that all the grease or any those kind of dust particles will just start to clean off by itself. This is so easy. Another thing is, before doing this, make sure your bike is cooled down. It shouldn't be warm or it shouldn't be heated. Another thing, before getting into the tank or the fins, just try to clean everything from the bottom. So just let it sit there for a while. Later on you can just get the fresh microfiber towel and you can just start wiping it down. And if at all if you feel like you need more of this, you can just go ahead and spray again and you can just wipe it down. See, as you can see, it will just take off all the dirt and the debris so easily and very quick. Go to the wheels, clean the wheels. loop from the chain. So let me just finish this and I'll be back. This is how it looks once it is cleaned. And just let it dry. Meanwhile, you can just start spraying over here on the fairings and the tank, and you don't have to wait. You can just spray and you can just wipe it down. Just by spraying and wiping it down, it looks fantastic. This only works when there is not much of dust on your bike and you're maintaining it properly. If at all, if there is a lot of dust and debris, you need to water wash it properly before spraying. But look at this. This looks so good already. Shiny, shiny. So the next thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna use that detailer over there. Using this spray detailer, you can just go from top to bottom. So you don't have to worry. You can use the same microfiber towel and you can just start wiping down everything, but from starting from the top. Okay. So what you can do is just spray to all the parts except the rotors. Okay, you don't want your rotors to be slippy. You can literally spray on anything, not on your seats again. Look at that. Once you're done with the detailed spray and once you wipe it down, it looks so fantastic. Oh my god. What you guys do now is you can just take another microfiber towel and you can just start buffing it down. Buffing. This is how this looks. Oof. Looks so good, isn't it? Let's start this baby. Alright guys, so this is the video about how to clean your bike in less than 10 minutes. Let me know what you guys think about this and keep watching for more detailed videos about Yamaha, and very soon I'll be getting more videos on my Mercedes C300 4MATIC Sports.